Hi there! We sad to see you online. In this behind the scenes look, 14 minus 14, which equals 0, times 14 minus 14 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 14 times 14 equals 196. So we have 14 minus 196 minus 14, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 14 minus 196, which equals minus 182. So we have minus 182 minus 14, which equals minus 196. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment your thoughts.